Hello, today we're going to be reading a book about farm animals. Farm animals. What do you see? I see a pig. What is the pig doing? The pig is splashing in the water. Do you see that he's in the water and you see the splashes of water? Let's see. Does the pig look happy or does he look sad? He looks happy. Can I see your happy face? Good. Okay, farm animals. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster wakes the farm animals every morning. You see him? He's putting his head up and he's saying, cock-a-doodle-doo. Point to the farm animals in the picture. I see the rooster. He's on top of the fence. And who else is on top of the fence? I see a little mouse looking at the rooster on top of the fence. And inside this little house called the chicken coop, I spy a little chicken. And I see a cow. And here's a man, maybe he's the farmer. And I see a dog. He is inside his house. And I see a pig and a cat. And the cat is on top of the pig's house. And behind the fence, there is a goat. And here in the water, I see a white duck. What does the duck say? Quack, quack. And inside this barn, I see a horse. Neigh. So many animals. All these different animals, they live on the farm. We have the sheep. There's a little mouse on top of the sheep. And we have a hen and a cat, a horse, a rooster. Look at each animal and say its name. Cow, goat, dog, pig, and duck. Can you make the sounds? Let's see. The cow says moo. And the goat says bah. And the dog says ruff, ruff, ruff. The duck says quack, quack. And the pig says oink, oink. The farmer feeds the animals every morning. What are these animals having for breakfast? Let's see. Here's the farmer. He's feeding the animals. What is he feeding the dog? Looks like he's feeding him a bone. It looks like the kitten may be drinking maybe some milk. It looks like the horse is eating some hay. Each farm animal lives in one of these houses. I called it a chicken coop, but it's actually a hen house. And here is the dog house, which has a name of kennel. And the duck lives in the pond. The piggy lives inside his pig pen. And here the horse is inside his stable. This naughty animal is eating the farmer's laundry. Oh no, look. He's eating his laundry. That's silly. That's not food. Do you know what the animal is called? Can you point to another animal? Oh, I spy a little mouse. Do you see the little mouse? Pigs have short, curly tails. Look at these tails and say who they belong to. Whose tail is that, do you think? It's a horse, maybe? And this one could be a sheep. And that one could be a hen or a chicken. Do you know what noise these farm animals make? Cluck, 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 cluck. Bah. Oink. Neigh. Quack. Quack, quack. And moo. There are lots of baby animals in this picture. Look at all the baby animals. They're so cute. There's the baby. They're small and little. And then there is the parent and the mom or the dad, and they're big. See? Here's the pig and the little piggy, Piglet. This is a baby sheep. It's also called a lamb. Find the lamb's mommy. Do you see the lamb's mommy? There's the farmer feeding the little lamb. There's the mommy. Cow's giving us fresh milk. There's the farmer. He is milking the cow. Which of these animals gives us wool? The sheep. The sheep gives us soft wool. Hens lay eggs. How many hens do you see? How many hens do you see? I see here 1 and 2. The farmer is collecting an egg for his breakfast. Do you like eggs for breakfast too? You see, there's the eggs. 1, 2, 3 eggs. Oh, 4 eggs. Can you point to the animal that doesn't belong on the farm? Oh, you gotta look really closely. Do you see an animal that does not belong on the farm? Maybe this animal could belong in the zoo? What do you think it is? Let's see. Does the cow belong in the farm? Yes. Does the dog belong in the farm? Yes. Does the sheep belong in the farm? Yep. Does the duck belong in the farm? Yes. Oh, how about the monkey? Does the monkey belong in the farm? No. You may see a monkey at the zoo, but you probably won't see a monkey at the farm. And which animal is your favorite animal? What's your favorite? I think my favorite, my favorite may be the little duck. That's it, the end, and there go all the animals.